everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time for a Walgreens haul. No, it's not. I didn't do a Walgreens ad preview this week because I felt the ad was just lame. There was nothing in there. There's maybe like one thing I want to get at Walgreens this week, but it's not worth really going there and doing a video. I'll go there if I'm there. So I am not doing a haul. I know there's a Black Friday ad that starts that Thursday. I looked at it. I didn't see anything really popping out at me, but I may or may go later this week to show you guys some deals. But I feel like Walgreens this week is one of the worst weeks I've ever seen. This is the first week in probably a year and a half that I have actually skipped Walgreens. That's how bad it is. I've skipped Walgreens because this week is just not worth it, and that's fine. That's fine. It's nice to take a break from a store every once in a while, but just wanted to share with you guys that there will be no Walgreens haul unless I decide to go or if I see some deals that pop up. But this week, take a break. Put your feet up, take a break, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.